Hey, and welcome to this quick tip on reverse reverb. So we've got this section, really nice, but the reverse is just, the vocals coming in too soon. So one way to get around that is to do a nice reverse reverb. There's already like there's already an uplifter. It's Monday morning, it's early, forgive me. But yeah, getting that reverse reverb on a vocal will really be nice. So that's what we're going to focus on right now. Fastest way to do it, duplicate the channel, pull it down, mute that. I mean, we don't have to fuck about with anything else, deleting anything. We can just focus on the first syllable. You want to make sure all delay and reverb is turned off. Something on there, I don't know what it is, but we can fix it by taking it out of the bus channel a bit. Oh no, weird. Let's pull it back a little bit. I bet it's something to do with the bus channel on the master. There you go, yeah, perfect. And all we want to do, now we've got it on its own, we've got the first syllable, no reverb, no delay, just a nice bar, just the first syllable of the reverse we're trying to make. We just want to put a nice long reverb on there. The reason I put a separate one on there is because I don't want to fuck about with the reverb I've already got set. And all I do is use my Arts Acoustic preset. And if you'd like that, you can email me, tutorials@adamlstj.com, happy to share. I'm just going to turn the decay right up to like 10. For 12. That's important that you don't bounce in place, because if you bounce, actually, to tell you what, today we can bounce in place because I've duplicated the channel. Normally I don't duplicate the channel. I'll fuck about with the channel, so I have to bounce to my hard drive, and then I'll press Command and Z and like redo all the changes that I made and then re-import it. But because of a simple duplication there, I don't actually have to fuck about with that, so I can literally bounce in place, which is super handy. When you're bouncing, always make sure that you turn the limiter off on the master as well. It's not even on, so that's good. Because if you do, what will happen is you have to just simply re-import it, and it's going to be a bit louder because of the limiter. So I just always turn the limiter off. So let's bounce this in place. Let's make sure normalize off, new track. You can actually leave it on that track, that's fine. And we'll leave everything else as it is. Oh, I fucked up there. Include audio tail. Not gonna work without that. Oh, it's still not done it. Oh, there it is. That's strange. Now what we can do, the beauty of doing it this way is that we can actually see where it ends. So you have to chop off that section. And this is basically your reverse reverb. It's the wrong way at the minute, so let's just turn it around. There you go. Now it all clicks into place because I've done it nice and neat and taking my time. Let's do a fade in. This is quite quiet. You can see there's not much going on, so what we'll do is go to normalize. There you go. And now let's play it. We do have to turn some things back on. Delay. There you go. Couple little tricks to clean that up. EQ. It's just my standard EQ. I kill everything below 170 and everything above 17k. A little bit of sidechain works really nice. I just put Logic in latch mode for a moment, and what it did was it allowed me to move a region or something in the LFO tool, and it recorded it, rather than me searching through the menu file of 150 million different region selectors or whatever it's called. So I'm just going to, as the sample gets to the end, I'm just going to kill some of the LFO tool. Perfect. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn the LFO tool on as soon as the drop hits, so the so the delay on the vocal kind of starts side chaining straight away. How cool is that? So yeah, very happy with that. Nice and simple, and it's just a super good way to really involve and fade in your plucks, your reverb, so your vocals, things like that. Kind of one-shot effects when you just come in a bit too sudden. Go to the reverse reverb trick and try that. Cheers, guys.